Hey, Joe here. I wanted to show you something that we ran into in this next campsite we're at. The sewer hookup is real high off the ground, so I'm showing you here from the side where our hookup starts. I ended up having to use our big container that I store some of our extra hoses and things in to start it off, making it kind of high. Trying to get a better shot here, but it starts off real high off the ground, pretty close to it. Then I've got my little P-trap set up, and then from there I went over the axle and then ran down across both axles, and it continues down here. I'll show you. From both axles, here's the back of the second axle. I have a 5-gallon bucket here upside down for it to sit on, and then it comes over, starts on then our sewer decline expanding track, and then I've got some leveling blocks that it's sitting on because I needed it a little bit more higher, because as we go here, it keeps going. This is a rear hookup that I ended up having to skip for now. Normally I have that hookup with a Y adapter, but because of the situation I wasn't able to do that. So then from here, and then got another one of those set up, and then there's the dumping station. So the dump station is a good 6 inches off the ground, and then by the time you add the elbow and then our hookup, we're looking at about 8 to 10 inches off the ground roughly. So can't have much of a decline from where our dump station starts on the camper here. So I don't know if anybody else is running into something gnarly like this, but as you can see, I've got all kinds of whatever I was able to pull out of the truck and out of our RV to make the decline work. But I just need a slight decline in order to get the water flowing here. If anybody's got a better suggestion on how we can do this, please let me know in the comments below here. We're going to be here for a little while. Always my plan is, because this is for the rear bathroom, is I'm just going to disconnect it from this last hose, expand it out, connect it, dump, and then hook it back up to the rest of the, hook it back up to my long run here, which is 3 hoses long to get to this rear sewer hookup. And even if I backed up further, that really wouldn't have helped, because this is the just past the rear of the RV here. So it's kind of an interesting setup. It's just because it's so high off the ground, it was a little tricky, because there's my starting point here where it's low, and if you follow along here, and then that's the dumping. So I mean, it's a slightly lower, but not much lower from my start to end. So yeah, so this is what I ended up coming up with to make it work, but for now we're gonna use it, and it seems to be working. So we're able to open after we do a load of laundry or run the dishwasher, and we're able to drain. Same with the black tank. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, like I said, drop some comments in the bottom. Let me know if you run into this and what your solution was. Thanks, have a great day. We'll catch you next time.